For giving the parties the final chance in this court to have a compromise in this matter recorded.
Another court appearance, another extension of the mediation period, the final push before the court gives up on the tussling parties.
This court will not mention the matter anymore, but will refer the matter to the Labor Relations Court that is still seized of the substantive issues.
A three-judge bench calling on the parties to climb down from their hard positions and save the lives of Kenyans as the strike entered its 99th day. The bone of contention being a return-to-work formula which is yet to be signed.
We made sure that they were here today and ready and willing to sign this return-to-work formula.
We have to look at it, because I cannot say that I've looked at it. We expected that we sit down and craft this together, because a return-to-work formula, that is a document that is meant to be agreed upon by both parties.
The judges taking a swipe at the Ministry of Health officials for delaying the talks.
But the Ministry of Health, which is the interested party, is hanging tough and appears to be no longer interested in negotiating. We appeal to all the parties, including the Ministry of Health, to be guided by the best interest of Kenyans and put aside their differences, their egos.
The orders putting the ministry officials in an awkward position, given President Kenyatta's orders, and resolved to abandon the talks until the doctors call off the strike. The government has already withdrawn a 50% pay rise offer that would have also seen the doctors get 600 million shillings in allowances. The ministry is reported to have presented the medics with a return-to-work formula with a clause barring them from running parallel private clinics. With the doctors rejecting the formula, the mediation teams oversaw the amendment of the document that was tabled before court on Monday. Sources say religious leaders summoned the parties to a meeting soon after the court orders. Ministry officials did not, however, show up. The Court of Appeal judges now saying they will no longer handle the mediation issues if the parties fail to agree by tomorrow. The case will be referred back to the Employment and Labor Relations Court as the appellate judges handle an appeal against the jailing of the doctors' union officials for contempt of court.
Even as the country awaits the final pronouncement by the court on this matter, for the bulk of Kenyans who are heavily dependent on the public healthcare system, an end in sight is long overdue. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.